not gonna be doing this video. I got a friend. He's gonna be doing it. So if I wonder why I'm not in this video, cause he's gonna be doing it. I don't know he gonna put me in there, but yeah, just let him do it talking. Oh, and don't tell nobody. I would. Didn't I tell y'all? Oh, so yeah. I'm glittering. Don't tell nobody. Then do it. All right. There you go.
Hey, peep. My name is Kenan, and I'm going to show you a monkey doing a dab. I'll show you. I got peel for me. Shing! Look, he's doing a dab. That's all, peep.